So this is how I'm mounting this on here. This is a Silent Night pull station. It has a switch on the inside, so you open it up, it goes into alarm. So I close it up. It's mounted to this plate, which I can then mount to the box. But I can wire it up with it closed, and it won't false alarm. So this is that way if you need to take it down and check the wiring or something like that, you're not opening it. I have the NACS disconnected just in case. But this is the way you can take one down, put it up, and these are addressed with these dip switches in here, pushing it up. You can see how they're pushed up. I just mimicked the previous one. It's pretty simple. Please like and subscribe.